Today I'm going to show you how to do the wireless scanning with this printer and how to do the wireless printing as well, and how to do a copy. So let's start with the copy first. You just need to insert the page here and click any of this button, color or black, and wait for the copy to start. So same way you can place a photo if you want, whatever you want you can do here. So this is the way we can do the copy. Now I'll show you how to do the wireless print and scan. For that, first you need to take a smartphone and download the HP Smart app from an app store. So once we do it, now we need to add this printer. So for that, first we need to activate the printer's Wi-Fi. As you can see, this is the Wi-Fi Direct icon. Click it on once. You can see the white light is on. Now go to the Android device, open the Wi-Fi network and look for the printer's Wi-Fi Deskjet 3700. Once it asks a password, you can enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Connect it. Go back, open the HP Smart app. Now we can add this printer here. Click on the plus button on the top and you will see the name of the printer. Once you click it, it will add up here. Now let's start with the wireless scan first. Look for the printer scan option and now place the page facing upward on the top scanner and hold the page and click on scan button. So it will scan the whole page and then it will be transferred to the screen here. You can see here. Now you can adjust the size and whatever you want you can do here. You can add more pages as well. Now go back, look for the print document section and select any document you want to print. Once you see this screen, now select the page range and number of copies and send the command for printing. So you can see printing is quite easy. You don't need to place any page here and it's quite fast in printing. Whereas if you want to do more scanning and copying, you just have to hold the page every time. So this might be not easy if you're doing a lot of work. But it's really good compact printer and it's good for the printing. Thanks for watching.